People don't understand, they just figure they're making money, but they don't understand where their segments are.
This is you, a dentist wanting to start your own practice. However, you're not sure where to begin. You may need to plan out your setup.
Usually when I'm working with dentists, it'll be one dentist and 2 or 3 dental hygienists, maybe a receptionist, up to 6 or 8 dentists that are employees of the practice. So usually there's, it could be one owner or several owners, and they're sharing things depending upon their agreement.
Before starting your dental practice, you must first identify your setup. Your accounting methods and financial management will be entirely based on your dental practice agreement, including costs related to dental practitioners, staff, and other overhead expenses. Once you've determined your setup, you'll gain insight into startup costs, fees, insurance acceptance, deciding which insurance to partner with and assessing its impact on your income, and the subsequent steps toward establishing your own practice.
The biggest thing I really wanted to talk about is doing and making sure that the practice understands their costs and also the segments of their practice. It could be like hygienists. What are the fees that are being billed through that part of the practice, and also the hygienist labor? Or it could be, each doctor or associates and how much they're earning in practice and how much you're paying them out, because those are really big pieces of understanding the business. So I've seen it often, we'll just put it that way. People don't understand, they just figure they're making money, but they don't understand where their segments are. But you have to really look at the model and where you're at and understand where are you making your money, and is it, if you're doing fillings or root canals, or you farm that out to somebody else, or dentures, or whatever else that you do, crowns, what are you making and how much time, and is that part of the model? And as with almost every business, there are more profitable areas than other areas. So maybe like a cleaning is a gateway into some of the other things that you do. So maybe you're only making a small percentage or a smaller percentage on your dental cleanings, but that sets up the fillings and crowns and whatever else you have that you're doing. So and that segues into the x-rays and all of those things. Those are cost centers potentially, and profit centers. And so looking at those and tracking those, I do like to use some industry standards to try and compare where you're at, compare it to your brethren, or the industry, and making sure that you're kind of in line. The insurance piece, I know I've worked with several people and looking at, with all of the administrative paperwork and whatnot that you have to send off to the insurance company and potentially to like Medicare, what does that all cost? You got to factor all of that in too, to see, are you really making money doing this? So that's one of the biggest things that I've been able to help people with.
In a nutshell, starting your own dental practice requires careful planning and understanding of various factors. You must identify your setup, including practice structure, staffing, and ownership. Once clear, focus on startup costs, fees, insurance, and other necessary steps. Understand your practice's segments, such as hygienists and practitioners, and track costs and profits diligently. Leverage industry standards and professional guidance for confidence. These factors can contribute to your overall financial success. If you're unsure, meeting with a CPA who knows the dental world is your best bet to ensure you are actually making a profit. Are you a dental practitioner starting a dental business and in need of CPA services? Explore our core services on our website at sjwickcpa.com or give us a call at 970-224-3366. Whether you're seeking increased profits, payroll assistance, or tax relief, we're fully committed to your success.